Today we have a review of Microsoft wireless mobile 1850 mouse. This is very good packaging, as you can see here. So now we'll do unboxing and testing of this bad boy. I just bought it like 2 minutes ago. Yeah, I bought it from local Argos. If the people who doesn't know Argos, this is a UK I think very good shop for purchasing stuff, clothing, electronics, a lot of stuff. So I bought this for £10, which is very cheap for branding Microsoft Worldwide. So let's see what's gonna happen now. Let me see, I can do this by myself. No, actually I'm not gonna be able to do that, but let me help with my shoes here. Yeah, this is my shoes. I'm gonna use my shoes. It's very nice shoes, by the way. I'm gonna use my shoes for like a tripod or something. See if I can do it now. See me? Not really. Maybe it needs to be far away. No. Look, that's better. Yeah, that's better. So let's see to unbox this bad boy. Oh, comes with the batteries. That's a good thing. You don't need to buy batteries. Comes with one battery, which is good. You have all the papers, books, and Microsoft. This is for all the guarantees on the country. Okay, let's put this in the side now. So let's take the mouse and open it. Very easy. But I forgot something. I forgot something, dude. Okay, so we have light. I think it's working now. Put it wrong. Really? This is gonna be the best review ever. I think I forgot something. Something is missing here. Where is the... Oh, it's here. This is the stick. I think you can call the stick this. I just got a message. It's not nice when you get a message, when you make a video. This is very hard. Oh my god. Put this in the side. So yeah, now we're gonna do the test. This on the side, as you can see, is lighting, so should be working now. So let me get a laptop and try this bad boy. One second. Get my Mac. Oops, sorry. Okay, so open the hinge. Okay, put my password. Okay, that's okay. So this is my Mac. It's downloading some stuff here. Okay, so let's put the USB stick here, as you can see. I think it's wrong. Yep. Okay. Continue. Wow. Notification keyboard. Shift. Okay. So now we need to press the shift notification your keyboard. Okay. So where is the shift by boy? Dude, where is the shift button, man? Shift. This laptop doesn't have a shift. That's strange. Okay. Control. Did you see the shift? Does anybody see the shift here? Nope. What is the shift? Shift. Maybe this is the shift. No? Go away. Okay, so the mouse is working. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay. I don't have a mouse. What is called? Right click. Okay. That's not too bad. Okay. Okay, so the mouse is working. That's a good video. Okay, this is for me now. Hope you enjoy the mouse.